Forgot your iPhone passcode and stuck on this screen? If that is the case, you don't have to panic, as in this video I am going to show you two different ways to factory reset an iPhone without passcode. With these two methods you can open any kind of locked iPhone with and without using a computer, and that is coming up. Our first method is using an iPhone unlocker software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called Share for You key, which you can get from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing it, open it up. Once opened, click on Start under Unlock iOS screen. Next, you need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. This software gives instructions for all the iPhone models. So in my case, my iPhone is iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I'm going to go with the first option. In order to put your iPhone into recovery mode, first of all, connect it to your computer using your USB cable. Then press volume up, volume down, and then keep press and holding the power button. Just keep press and holding the power button. Ignore any kind of messages that you see on your screen. Like you might see message like emergency call, etc. Just ignore it. Just keep press and holding the power button. All you have to do is put your phone into this screen. After putting your phone into recovery mode, this software will detect your phone automatically. The next step is downloading the firmware, aka iOS version. So as you can see, this software is suggesting me to download iOS version 18.6. In your case, it will be different. So just click on download and the firmware will start downloading automatically. If you are unable to download the firmware through the software, then there is another option, and that is downloading the firmware through a browser. If you want to download the firmware through browser, just click on this copy link button. Then open your favorite browser, right click on it, and then click on paste and go. After that, it will start downloading automatically. So I'm going to cancel it because I already downloaded the firmware. In order to import your firmware, click on this option, click on browse, select your firmware and click on open. After that, just click on start to remove and then wait for the software to factory reset your iPhone. This entire process takes barely 20 to 25 minutes. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and share it with your friends? For you, like and share is just a matter of clicks, but for me, it means a lot. So thank you so much if you do. After resetting your iPhone, the software will give you this message. So just click on done and close the software because your job is done. And on the other side, wait for your iPhone to restart. Once it's restarted, just go through the setup process. When you come to this page where it says iPhone locked to owner, if you know your Apple ID and password, just type it here. And if you don't know your Apple ID and password, then you can use the other feature of the software that you are seeing on your screen. So in this case, I do know my Apple ID and password, so I'm just going to type it. After that, just continue setting up your iPhone. If you want to set up Face ID, you can do so, but I'm going to do it later. And now you can create a new password for your iPhone. So I'm just gonna say don't use passcode. It's all up to you if you want to create a new password, but I'm going to skip it. After going through the setup process, the last step is this page. So just swipe up and boom, you will have an unlocked iPhone just like this. Alright, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is using forgot passcode option. For this method to work, you do not need a computer, but there are some things that you should consider. First, your iPhone must be connected to internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. And number two, you must be using Apple ID on your iPhone. If you meet these requirements, then this method will work. If not, then you can try the first method. Now let me show you how this method works. Alright, first of all, input wrong password several times. After that, you will see this forgot passcode option. Tap on it. Select Start iPhone Reset. Tap your Apple ID password to sign out. After that, tap on Erase iPhone. And then wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, everything on your iPhone will be erased, including the lock screen passcode. Once your iPhone is restarted, you will come to this hello page. Just swipe up and set up your iPhone as if it's brand new. If you come to this page where it says transfer your apps and data, you can select any of these options, but I'm not going to transfer anything. Now sign into your Apple ID. After that, continue setting up your iPhone. And again, when you come to this page where it says welcome to iPhone, just swipe up and boom. There you will have an unlocked iPhone, just like this. Now you need to wait for these apps to be downloaded. Guys, that is my video on how to factory reset iPhone without passcode. Please let me know which one of these two options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.